Good morning and Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Stay safe and stay home. Today is Tuesday, 22nd December 2020. Subject is maths. Topic is time. We will do question number 9 and 10. So let's start. Students, open your book page number 173. Question number 9. Write the following times in numbers or words. Means these questions are written in numbers or words. Okay, so for example, A part is written in words, we will write it in numbers. B part is written in numbers, we will write it in words. In the same way, C part is written in words, has been written in words, and we will write it in numbers. Okay, let's start. 2:15. So how we will write it in numbers? 2:15. As you know that quarter past. Students, as you know that this is our past side and this is our this side is called 2. Okay, so this is the half of the clock and this side is past and this side is 2. So as you can see that 15 minutes is called quarter past. Okay, so this is 2:15. So how we will write it in number? We will write it in number in 2 hour 15 minutes. After writing 2, we will put 2 dots in the center and we will write 2 hour 15 minutes. Okay, beta, we will write it like this: 2 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, now move to the next one. 3 hour 45 minutes. This side is 3. This side is hour side and this side is minute side. So 3 hours and 45 minutes. So how we will write it in words? As you know that, student, this is 3:45 minutes, and why the hour hand is near the 4? Because students, because 15 minutes are left in 4 o'clock. Okay, 3:45 means 15 minutes are left in 4 o'clock. So as you can see, 3:45, 5 9s are 45. As you know that you will follow the table of 5. So 5 9s are 45. So 3:45. Okay, and in words, how you will write? 15 minutes to, this side is 2 side, 2:15. This side is 2:15. So we will write this time in words: 4:45. We will write it in this way: 4:45. And C part is 5 minutes past 11. Means after 11 o'clock, 5 minutes are passed. 5 minutes past 11. Okay, when the minute hand was on 12, it was 11 o'clock, and then it moves on 1. So 5 minutes move. So 5 minutes past 11. Okay, how we will write it? 11, 2 dots, we will add 2 dots in the center, and 11 are 5 minutes. Okay, students, we will write it in numbers: 11 hours 5 minutes. The next is written in number and we will write it in words: 1 hour 30 minutes. So this is 1 hour 30 minutes. 5 6 are 30. So 1 hour 30 minutes. How we will write it in words? We will write it 1:30. 1:30. 30 minutes mean 1:30. The next question number 10. Convert the following hours into minutes. So let's move to the question number 1. 5 hours. Okay, students, as you know that 1 hour is equals 60 minutes. Okay, so 5 hours mean 5 multiply 60. We will multiply 5 by 60. Okay, students, so we will multiply 5 by 60 because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we will write here 60 minutes. So when we multiply 60 by 5, this is a working column. Okay, you will also make on your notebooks. So students, 60 multiply 5, 5 zeros are 0 and 5 6 are 30. So these are 300 minutes because we have to convert the hours into minutes. So our answer is 300 minutes. Now B part is 12 hours. Okay students, in part B again we will multiply 12 by 60 because 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. So 12 multiply 60. Students, as I told you, an easy method, when we multiply any digit by zeros, by tens, 100, 50, 60, 200, 300, 1,000, 10,000, these type of numbers. Okay, so we will just count how many zeros in this side. Okay, there are only 1 0, there is only 1 0, so this 0 will move here, and now there are two numbers, 12 and 6. So we will multiply 12 and 6. 6 2s are 12, 2 here and 1 will move on the next number. 6 1s are 6 and 1 7, 72. So students, we will write 72 minutes. Okay, this is the easy method. You can also write 12 multiply 60, okay, but it will be long multiplication. So this is easy method. 0, move the 0 over here, and then remaining digits, multiply the remaining digits. Students, A, B and C part are the same. 15 hours, again, as you know that 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. So 15 hours, 15, we will write the digit 15 as it is, and the hours 60 minutes. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So 15 multiplies 60. Again, this is 0 will move in this side, and then we will multiply 15 multiply 6. 6 5s are 30, 0 here and 3 will move on the next number. 6 1s are 6 and 3 9. So our answer will be 900 minutes. Okay students, must remember that to write minute, okay, because when we will convert hour into minutes, so we will write minute over here. Okay, so 5 1 by 2 hours. Students, this type of question, 5 hours and 1 by 2 minutes. Okay, so 5 hours, first of all we will arrange both of these. 5 hours, as you know that 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. So 5, we will multiply 5 by 60. 5 multiply this hour, 60 minutes. Okay, and then 1 by 2, we will add 1 by 2 over here, plus 1 by 2 minutes. Now we will multiply 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 300 minutes plus 1 by 2 minutes. Students, you can see here, as you know this is the clock, and I divide the clock into equals, 2 equals. So as you know that 30 minutes are in past side and 30 minutes are in quarter 2 side. Okay, in 2 side and this side. So there are 30 minutes in right side and 30 minutes in left side. Okay, so because you know that here the number is 12 on the clock and here is 6. Okay students, you can see that in full clock there are 60 minutes. So what is the half of the 60? What is the half? Just look here, 30 minutes. So 30 is the half of 60. So in full clock there are 60 minutes. Okay, when we divide it into two parts, 1 by 2, 1 clock and into two parts like fraction 1 by 2. So there are 30 minutes in this side and 30 minutes in this side. So students, 1 by 2 minute means 30 minutes. Okay, this is the 1 by 2. This full clock is 1 and I divided it into two parts. So in one part there are 30 minutes. So 30 minutes. So now we will 330 minutes. We will add it. 0, 3 and 3. 330 minutes. Move to the next one. 10 hours. This is also the same as we have done part A, B and C. 10 hours. 10 multiply 60. Okay students, in this question you can see 10 hours. Okay, 10 multiply 60. So 10 multiply 60 minutes. As I told you that 0 will move here on this side, and there are 2 digits are left. 10 6 are 60. In this way you can multiply easily. Okay, 10 6 are 60 and this 0 will come as it is. 600 minutes. Now move to the next and last part, 1 by 2 hours. Again we will separate this, and first of all we will multiply 1 by 60. Okay students, 1 multiply 60, and this number will come here, 1 by 2. Okay, so 60 ones are 60, and 1 by 2 means, again as I told you, 30 minutes. Okay students, 60 ones are 60 minutes, and 1 by 2 minutes mean, as I told you, that the half of the clock, 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, 1 by 2 minutes mean the half of the clock. There are 30 minutes in half of the clock, 30 minutes. So now we will add both of these, 60 plus 30, 60 plus 30. 0 will come as it is. 6 and 3, how many? 9. So what is our answer? 90 minutes. Okay, so students, I hope you understand this exercise. And students, do question number 9 on your book and question number 10 on your notebooks. Okay students, I hope you understand it. If you feel any problem related to both of these questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Take care. Allah Hafiz.